Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm Yuka. Welcome to Yuka's Japanese Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese-style set meal. This is a menu that babies can eat as long as they became around 1 year old. As for menu, we will make a tofu pizza and also eggplants and green pepper stir fry with red miso. And aside with those two menus, I decorate with egg soup with tofu and also rice topped with yukari, Japanese purple basil. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. During this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So Japanese set meal is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。I'll sip the soup first. This is an egg soup with tofu. I have a recipe in my channel, so please check the video. Tofu pizza. It's cheesy. And I can certainly taste the yuzu kosho sauce. It also adds the special taste. And the thinly sliced deep fried tofu. It's a healthy pizza dough. Okay, how about the eggplant and green pepper stir fry? I put the saffron on top. Red miso and eggplant go well together. So since it's so soft, so children can easily eat it. It goes well with rice. So good. ごちそうさまでした。Okay, so here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip to make the eggplant and green pepper stir fry. After the eggplant is browned, add the green pepper. Then seasonings should be gradually added. Since the red miso, sometimes it's too salty. Tip to make tofu pizza. The deep fried tofu should be covered with hot water to remove oil. And after that, be careful not to press too hard. Otherwise, it will be broken. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was this Japanese style set meal ideas? I hope these recipes will help you to make nutritious and healthy meal sets for your family. And for you who watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy and healthy and nutritious Japanese meals, including baby meal, toddler food, pregnancy meals, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time. Bye bye!